Heidi. We're testing out the microphone.
Oh, you're not taking a picture?
Nope. I want you to tell me something.
What?
Just anything.
We're at a lake on a dock. There's a lot of people here.
There are a lot of people.
Am I like
here.
way close? I feel like I'm really close to you.
You're not too close.
We're at a lake on a dock. It's so cool. Oh yeah, and up here, my daddy has a pet mouse.
Pet mouse, aka a microphone. Okay, walk that way with Parker. Parker, come here!
So we've been in here with our cousins, and I normally then go in the deep end because you can still sink. You cannot sink with a life jacket, but you could sink with puddle jumping.
Oh. Hold Mama's hand.
Hey. Yeah, Dad.
Here, buddy, let's keep walking. You got a climber.
This is like what they do on cliffs, right?
What they do on what?
What they do on cliffs, right?
Yeah.
And then they climb up. It's like they're trying to get into a different island.
Whoa, dude, sliding down. That was cool.
A tree go close to the water. It grew close to the water. It's that one.
Whoa. Dad, I see a green thing. So, the hike is a little bit dangerous because when we walk somewhere it has that cliff that are like fixed together and the slopes. So yeah.